All right, if you've identified you need to spend some time on the QL or Quadratus Lumborum, you're going to use your alpha ball. I'm going to show you here standing because it's a little more difficult to see once I start laying down on it. There's a pocket right here. So we've got the low back extensors, and then we've got just falls right off the cliff there. And right in this zone is the QL, okay? You've got the top of the hip here, you've got the bottom of the ribs here, so it's just a very small area that you can get into right there. That's where we're trying to get. Okay, so when you lay down and you find that soft spot, you don't want to be too high up on the ribs. You don't want to be too low down on the top of the pelvis. You just want to be right in that soft pocket. And when you're in the right spot, if you move just a bit, you could feel it press on the hip, or if you move a bit higher, you could feel it press on the ribs. That means you're right in the sweet spot, okay? Now, in this spot itself, you can just rest and breathe if you've got some tenderness there, and that's okay. But if you want to kind of up the ante a little bit and get more into the musculature in a more intense way, what you do is, I'll show this on my left side, so when I roll, you can see it. So this is on the left, it's in that soft pocket, still in the same spot, but if you want to get more into the QL, find that soft pocket, and then just roll straight to the side. And this puts a little more pressure in the erectors right along the spine, but really forces down into that QL. You might notice some radiating pain down into the hip. And if this reproduces your pain, that means you're in the right spot. So same thing though, it's hard to create motion here. And so the goal is just to breathe. Take a deep breath, fill up that space on top of the ball, blow out, melt over the ball, just relax, okay? So you'll want to take, get in the right place, take maybe 15 or 20 breaths to really loosen that up. Do it on both sides if you need to. See you later.